Welcome to Crafting K Studio. Thanks for joining us. This week we're going to look at...
We're creating this beautiful resin Tealight holder using real dried flowers. It's a lovely piece that's perfect for adding a warm glow to your home or making as a thoughtful handmade gift. Let me show you how I made it. For this project I'm using a silicone mould, epoxy resin, dried flower, mixing cups, stirrers and a few basic tools. I'll list everything I use in the description below if you'd like to make one yourself. Before we begin, remember to work in a well-ventilated area and wear suitable gloves and eye protection whenever you're working with resin. I'm mixing the resin carefully according to the manufacturer's instructions before mixing it thoroughly. Taking your time here ensures the resin cures properly and gives a lovely clear finish. Try to stir slowly to reduce the number of bubbles you create. I'm starting with a thin base layer of resin. This gives the flowers something to rest on and helps me position them exactly where I want them. Now comes my favourite part, arranging the flowers. There's no right or wrong way to do this, so take your time and create a design that feels balanced and personal. And don't forget, the bottom will end up being the top and the top will end up being the bottom. Once I'm happy with the layout, I gently remove any visible air bubbles and make any final adjustments before adding the next layer of resin. With everything in place, I slowly pour the remaining resin over the flowers, making sure they're fully covered and taking care not to disturb the design. At this stage it's worth checking again for bubbles. A little patience now will really pay off in the finished piece. Once the resin has fully cured, it's time for the best bit, carefully removing it from the mould. I always love this moment because you finally get to see the finished design. After demoulding, you can smooth any sharp edges so pieces feel lovely to hold and has a professional finish. I really love how the dried flowers seem to float in this resin, and once the candle is lit it creates such a warm, cosy glow. I hope you enjoyed making this resin tea light holder with me today. Would you be making one of these? I'd love to know what flowers you'd choose, so let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Crafting K Studio for more creative projects, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.